So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to change channel lineup on Spectrum TV app, customize guide and favorites. So open the Spectrum TV app and go to the guide. Open the Spectrum TV app on your phone, tablet or smart TV. Tap guide or live TV from the bottom or side menu. You will see the full channel lineup based on your subscription. The app automatically shows channel including in your plan. You can't add channels outside your package, but you can create and manage favorite channels. This is the easiest way to customize your channel. How to add favorites. Open the guide by pressing your back button on your Spectrum remote. Select channel lineup. Select a channel you like. Tap or like the star, slash, heart or favorite icon. The channel is added to your favorites. To view only favorites, go to the guide filter. Select favorite instead of all channels. This creates a clean personalized lineup with only your selected channels. Third one is filter or customize guide view. Most devices allow basic guide filter. You may see options like favorite only, HD channels, movies, sports, kids and subscribe channels. Steps are open guide, tap filter shorter options, choose the lineup view you want. Fourth one is reset or refresh channel lineup if channel look wrong. If channels are missing or out of order, close and reopen the app. Sign out, sign back in. Update the Spectrum TV app. Restart your streaming device. Sometimes the guide refresh automatically after reopening. Thank you.